If I had something to say to you, I'd whisper it softly. Kiss you on your rosy lips and never let you off. Shiver on a roof and see your face lit by starlight. Hold you through the night and watch that Colorado sunrise.
Hand for every mistake that I've made, 'cause my tongue is tied to tonsils and I need to shit and shave. I'm a shade too pale for handsome and have habits I can't shake. But if you try to take that from me, well, I'll never be the same. Train wreck that I am, and I am what I am, what I am, what I am. A train wreck that I am, and I am what I am, what I am, what I am. A train wreck.